Ever jolt awake at 3 a.m. sweating over some embarrassing thing you did 5 years ago? Yeah, me too.
Or maybe you enthusiastically waved at a total stranger who definitely wasn't waving at you.
We've all had those paralyzing midnight cringe attacks. But why exactly does your brain refuse to let it go? Well, your amygdala, the brain's threat detector, literally tags those awkward social slip-ups with stress hormones like cortisol.
Crazy enough, to your brain, a bruised ego feels exactly the same as a bruised knee. It hurts equally.
See, thousands of years ago, being socially excluded from your tribe literally meant starvation and certain death. So when you relax at night, your default mode network automatically replays those ancient survival threats.
This explains why high school haunts us. Hormones plus a developing prefrontal cortex equals a perfect neurobiological storm. Before we fix this midnight torture, hit subscribe so you never miss another mind-blowing brain explainer from us.
Okay, so you're agonizing over a public stumble from a decade ago. But is anyone else?
Nope. That's the spotlight effect. We falsely assume everyone is watching our every embarrassing move.
Actually, research proves observers recall barely 30 to 40% of what we thought they noticed.
The good news? You can totally rewire how those intrusive memories feel right now using memory reconsolidation. Just actively recall the memory, add some self-compassion, and use humor to permanently update that painful emotional charge.
Seriously, try shifting your mindset. Instead of agonizing, why did I do that? Ask, what can I learn?
Physically feeling your feet on the floor instantly helps your nervous system snap out of that ancient survival loop.
Like Mark Twain said, humor is just tragedy plus time. Laughter absolutely neutralizes the cringe. So, the power is yours. What past awkwardness will you finally reframe and let go of tonight?